Have you ever struggled to create a script for your YouTube video or thought about hiring a scriptwriter? Well, worrying no more because today, I'm going to save you time and money. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel, Amy AI. Let's jump right into it. First, open ChatGPT. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Explore and find a tool called Write for Me. Click it, and now you can enter your topic. For example, you can type something like this: "You are a professional scriptwriter for YouTube videos with 10 years of experience. I want to make a video on your topic. Please write a stunning, engaging, and attractive script for this topic." Click Generate, and let the AI do its magic. It'll create a full, polished script for your topic. You can then review and tweak it as you like, and there you have it. A professional, engaging script for your video. It's that simple.
Easy.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.